Guys, I am going to reveal what I basically do. So now what I'll show you is I'll just put my hand on it. See, did you see the glow disappeared? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jen. If you're watching me for the first time, I make videos on my life and my life stories. This is another chapter of my life.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun.
Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can see more of me and more of my stories. So today's chapter is on videos. I have not had a lot of experience in this particular domain, so I would consider myself as a beginner, and whatever I say is as a beginner would. So I might not use the right terminologies or the perfect words at the right times, so forgive me for that, especially all of you who are pro at photography and everything camera related, right? So I just wanted to give out this disclaimer first. So in this video, what I'm going to talk about is lights. Okay, so as a beginner, I have been very passionate about making videos which have clear audio and clear video. Definitely apart from the content, because content is the king. Without good content, no matter how much of a good video I create, it will not do well. So content is first, and after content I always focus on ensuring that at least what I speak is clear, free of distractions, and my face is also clear. It doesn't have to be a perfect HD movie like image, but it has to be bearable so that you can at least look at me and not look at something that's blurry, right? So that is why I record in a distraction free room with minimal background. Okay, so I do not invest in some fancy looking things to make it simpler. I just use whatever is there, and also a very simple mic which I use. I did not do anything fancy. The reason is because I want to first reach a milestone which I have in my mind, and once I reach that particular milestone, that is when I will invest more. Okay, and so if you want to help me reach that milestone first and fast, then please do subscribe so that you get to see better of me and my videos. So yeah, so coming back, because I do not invest a lot, I just have my Canon M50 which I purchased long back, and that's it, and a tripod which I bought off Amazon also a couple of years back. Nothing too special or no leveling up that I did recently, which I will do for sure, but I have a milestone, as I said, in my mind, and once I reach there, that is when I will level up. So now coming to the most important part, apart from the sound and everything else and the content and all, it is the lights. Okay, so you would see that my face is quite brightened up, and you would be shocked to know that I do not record, mostly I do not record in natural light, because I record most of the times at night. The reason is that I am not generally free during the day with other things in life, so I only get time at night when I get to record. I'm trying to strike a balance here so that I get to use the natural sunlight, which is like an asset to everyone who uses the camera for videos and photos. but a lot of times I do not have that luxury, so that is why I use only the room lights which are available and which are not that great, and I have to struggle a lot with editing and all of that to ensure that the light is up to the mark. But a lot of times I feel that the lights which should be set during the recording stage is missing. So that is when what I did was I brought in my hero, which is always there with me, and that was my phone. Yes, so I have a OnePlus phone, and I thought, why don't I use the flashlight which is already there in the phone, the torch that we usually call it as a torch, sometimes we call it as a flashlight. So why don't I use that and just place it in front of me and record videos. So I tried it once and it actually worked so good. Right now I have it right in front of me. Okay, so obviously you always keep your lights in front of you, that's behind your camera and not behind you, because then the light will flash on your on everywhere but not give you the desired result. So it's always there in front of me, that is behind the camera or somewhere here and not here, and that gives me this amazing glow. So now what I'll show you is I'll just put my hand on it. See, did you see the glow disappeared? So this is what I was talking about. Guys, I am going to reveal what I basically do.
We know what we have, let's hold on tight.
I unlock my phone first, okay, and then I just switch on the flashlight. So you have, everyone has a flashlight on their phone or a torch, whatever you call it. So I basically just switch that on like this, and you can see that, okay. And now what I do is I put it on the side like this. Did you see the difference? Did you see the difference? Do you see the difference now? Okay, now you can see how much of a difference this is making on my face.
Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. We got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through and through. No limit to what we can do.
And also on the quality, right? So it's always important to add more light, but at the same time that has to be full force good lights and not just some random light, okay. And it always has to be in front of you, okay, and not behind, right? So whenever you are sitting or standing,
we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
like this, it always has to be in front of you and facing towards you. If it is behind you, it will look like this, which will not look good, right? So it always has to be in front of you. See, now if I just do this and do this, do this, do this, see the difference? So I want you to use the same. What are you waiting for? Take out your phone, switch on the torch, put it in front of you, and voila. So now that you know that it's absolutely no rocket science and nothing that's too extravagant here, it's just simple my phone and my phone's torch which is being used to produce this effect. And that's it. That's all I wanted to say. I wanted to keep this video short and just convey my point. And if you are a beginner, or if you do not want to invest a lot of money or even a little bit of money in lights or on lights, then I would highly recommend you to use this setup. If you are using your phone only to record, then probably you can use somebody else's phone in your home to use as a torch while you record from your phone. But yeah, so that's an option that you always have at your liberty. Apart from that, that's it. That's all I had in this video. I hope you like this. If you did, then please do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, hit the notifications bell so that you get a notification every time I post a video. And I would see you again in my next video. I love you all so much. Thank you for giving me this love. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for coming back and hitting the play button. It means a lot to me, and I'm so grateful that I have you in my life. Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.